Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this jumbo box braid using 3 rubber band methods. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the video. First, I take off my overnight braids and then grease my hair with the Blue Magic grease, and then I part my hair. I brush my hair down with gel. I'm using the olive black edge control. Next, I apply the rubber bands. I also apply extra gel to keep my hair straightened. I'm using 6 parts of this pre-stretched hair that I got from the Chinese shopping app. Looks like this. The texture is so different from the expression hair we use back home. I get 4 parts out of 1 bundle. That means I should have about 24 braids on my head after I'm done. Now let's get down to business. So in this part, you understand better if you look at what I'm doing. Basically, you place the hair over your natural hair and you use your natural hair as the 3rd strand. Then you just watch you crisscross. I find this difficult to explain because I'm not a professional. This is actually my first time doing box braids by myself, so you guys should tell me if I did a good job or not. Once you've gotten a good grip at the root, you need to borrow from the other parts and add to your natural hair. Then you braid down, making sure to detangle the hair as you go. I'll just stop talking and let you guys watch what I'm doing. Like I said before, I'm not a professional. I can't even part my hair neatly. This is me here showing you my struggles. In this method, you hold the extension firmly at the middle, divide one end, roll over one of the divided ends, and place it over your head. Join that middle part with your natural hair, then braid down. I got the inspiration to try out this method from the TheChicNatural's YouTube page. I know I failed at it. I only used it on 2 braids. It wasn't so easy on my hands. I loved this third method because I think it was very easy. So after you've moisturized your hair, you divide your hair into 2 equal parts. Make sure you divide diagonally. Then you go ahead and place the attachment in between and bind it up with a rubber band. Gently pull your natural hair to make the binding tighter. Next, you would have to take 1/3 of each part and join it to your natural hair. So you would have 3 equal parts.
eventually.
Oh, I'm done finally. So I'm just gonna dip my hair into some hot water. This will help reduce the sponginess. I don't know how to explain, but it helps keep the hair straight and it looks better. I also spray sheen spray for some shine. Again, cancelling my edges. Girl, what can you do? This is the end of our video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.